The thing with raising children is that as many people as you talk to, as many opinions as you will get.
Right.
And what's important is to find something that works for the family culture. So it's not about me, it's about you.
Welcome to I Love My Baby Butt. I'm bringing in the big guns. Ziva's a longtime family friend. My mom and Ziva worked together at Wilshire Boulevard Temple when they were toddler transition teachers. So my mom and Ziva have known each other for a long time, and Ziva now is in our life in a different way, helping us sort through Sonny's development and teaching us, you know, all the things that we should be looking for as he grows and builds new skills.
I am a child development specialist, and my specialty is ages 0 to 4.
0 to 4. Okay, so yes, Ziva came to visit Sonny when he was 3 months old, and she taught us so many great things about what Sonny was doing. Like, I remember about transferring things from one hand to the other you were looking for, things that we, as you know, first-time parents obviously didn't know or didn't know to look for. So she's now here for
our 9 months.
9-month checkup on how Sonny's developing.
What was that?
Are you reaching for the light? Are you looking at the outside?
No, is it a mirror? Ah, no, it's a window. Yes. What were you? Yes.
So you were saying there's 4 major things that this.
Yes. So at 9 months, there are a few things. There is, first of all, there is sleep. That is going hand in hand with mobility. I'll talk about it in a minute. Safety, feeding, and social reference, which I'll explain what it is.
Okay.
I told you that one of the themes of 9 months is mobility. They discover their body, they discover, you know, the fun of moving, so changing their diaper is much harder. It's normal.
I was just gonna say, changing him right now is really difficult because he wants to roll over on the crib, and I find myself getting really frustrated. What's over there? What's over there? And like, one of my friends told me to use my arm to hold him down, but that feels like kind of forceful. And I don't want to constantly be saying no, 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 because he doesn't even understand what no means at this point. And I don't know if there's any way around it. It's like...
So first of all, the word no is a good word that we will talk about in a minute.
Okay.
But the only thing I would suggest is maybe, you know, you can put your hand on him, you're not putting it in a forceful way, just in a way that allows you to change the diaper, and then maybe you can talk about what you're doing.
Okay.
You know, I'm going to now, you know, take your poopy diaper off. I'm going now to clean you. I'm going now to just talk to him, because you saw when we talked to him, he got completely engaged.
Right.
You know, to just engage in talking to him. Because you see, by the way, this is the beginning of conversation.
Yeah.
When they make a sound and you respond with a sentence, that's the beginning of taking turns in having a conversation.
Right, okay.
So
Just
talking to him so much more.
Just even about anything, right?
Anything.
Like what you did today.
Anything.
Okay, Sonny, so now we're walking to your room through the living room because we have to go change your diaper. And sometimes when you pee and you poop in your diaper, we have to change it. Not sometimes, all the time. Yeah.
Yes, it's more, at this point, it's more describing what you see is going on, as opposed to asking a question. You're looking now at the book. Uh-oh, the book is stuck under the shelf. You're trying to open it, but it doesn't open. I can help you. And then you can go over and move the book. I can help you so that you can open it.
I can help you so that you can open it. You pull it out like this and turn it over, and then now it's free for you to touch.
Good.
And now you probably want the other one that's stuck.
Yes, you see what you just did. What you just did in these very simple few sentences, you showed him that you're present. You are observing what he's doing, and you helped him solve it. Now, there are times when you would let him solve his own problem. Like if it was something stuck there, but he can reach with his arm, there is no need for you to bring it, right? But the book, he wouldn't be able to. So the talking is really about showing him that you are present in what he's doing.